Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps. Back up your device now, then open battery settings to record current capacity and cycle count. Update the operating system and apps so bugs won't skew results. Next, run the device's built-in diagnostics or a power report to capture baseline metrics. Once you have those numbers, make sure to disconnect peripherals and place the device on a flat surface. Start a controlled charge cycle to avoid thermal spikes while you proceed. Now you move into deeper execution. Recalibrate and optimize. First, perform one controlled full charge cycle, drop near zero, charge to 100% without interruptions, then use until it discharges. This resets percentage accuracy. While charging, reduce heat by using 50% brightness, turning off unused radios, and enabling battery saver. Inspect app battery usage and remove or restrict any apps showing disproportionate drain. Once done, rerun the battery report and compare capacity and cycle count to see measurable improvement or persistent wear. To finish, you validate and close the process. Monitor the device for 24 to 48 hours under normal use to confirm reduced drain and steadier percentage reporting. If maximum capacity remains under about 80% or you see rapid voltage drops, make arrangements for a professional battery replacement through an authorized service. If you encounter sudden, unexplained drain, boot into safe mode to isolate apps. If the issue persists, make a clean backup and perform a factory reset. That troubleshooting step usually reveals whether hardware or software is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.